All right, those were my eggs and my onion rings. I'm instantly gonna come in with some diced bell peppers, and we're gonna throw a couple of our bell peppers right on top of our eggs for this easy sheet pan breakfast. If you love onions and you love breakfast, this is for you. Now you can do just egg whites, or you can scramble your eggs, but I like it this way. It kind of stays in the onion a little bit better when it's a full egg, but this is gonna be absolutely delicious no matter how you do it. And I'm obviously using some bell peppers, but you could use spinach, you could use whatever veggie you like. That looks beautiful. Now I'm coming in with my cooked bacon, and we are going to cut our bacon right on top of our egg. Super greasy, super salty, super delicious. Now I am obviously using bacon, but you could use ham, you could use sausage crumbles, you could use chorizo, you could use whatever breakfast meat you like. Bacon is just my favorite, and I feel like it goes so well with bell peppers and onions, and we are just cutting our bacon up. We're gonna use about 1 package of bacon. You could also just buy the bacon bits from the salad aisle, but I like fresh bacon a little bit better. Of course, we have to season our eggs, and I'm starting off with some garlic powder, and trust me, garlic powder on eggs is absolutely delicious. You can even do a garlic salt, but I am just seasoning this how I like my eggs, and you guys should do that too, but we do wanna make sure we have enough flavor, so I'm also gonna bring in some onion powder. I know, call me crazy. If you don't like onion, this is not for you, so you probably shouldn't even be getting to this point of the video, but you could also switch out the onions for full bell pepper slices. I've done that before, and it's just as delicious, but that looks great. I am gonna do some smoked paprika. I just feel like paprika and eggs are, oh no, I shouldn't have done that.
Extra pepper.
I feel like it just goes really well with eggs. I always like paprika on my eggs, but I need a better container because this one just spills on out. Now I'm gonna do some black pepper, and we're just gonna go all over our entire sheet pan. Get some on the onions, get some on the eggs, get some on the bell peppers. I love pepper on everything. Beautiful. Last seasoning we're gonna do is just some salt. Keeping it simple, nothing too crazy, nothing too adventurous. But like I said, you can adjust it to your liking. Now this looks absolutely delicious, but we are missing cheese. And I'm using my favorite, Colby Jack. And we're just gonna put that right on there, just like a pinch of cheese on each of our little onion eggs. Oh my gosh, like I said, I'm so hungry. This is so great if you have guests over and they want like a healthier breakfast. Obviously there's healthier meat than bacon, but I think that bacon rules all, and if you can eat it when you can, then you should. And I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure we get cheese on each of these. Maybe I'll add a little bit more, but I'll do that super quick. All right, last but certainly not least, I'm gonna add some chives on top just for a little bit of greenery. You guys know I like things to look nice, and this is gonna really pull everything together. But if you don't like chives, you could do parsley, you could do some oregano, you could leave off the herbs altogether, but I just think chives go great, especially with bacon. Okay, we're just getting that done super fast. This was literally one of the fastest breakfasts I've ever made. All right. Be careful, this is now ready for the oven. This is gonna be in the oven at 350 for like 25 minutes. It's super fast. Oh my, these actually came out even quicker out of the oven. It was more like 15 to 20 minutes. And I'm so excited to dig into these, but you guys know every good breakfast needs a hot sauce. So we're gonna add some sriracha on here. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful that looks with the sriracha on there too. If you don't like heat, obviously you can skip that. But it is time to dig in. We had a little bit of leakage on the egg whites, but that's okay. I greased my sheet pan, which is super important for this. And let's go ahead and get it right underneath it. Oh, look how perfect that is. And obviously you can cook it to your liking. All right, let's dig into this. Oh, the perfect yolk. Not overdone, not too runny. That's how I like it. And like I said, you can adjust it to your liking.
Is it good?
Wow. That was flavorful, delicious, easy. You guys are gonna love this.